Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own margarita. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 ounces of good quality tequila, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur. Always opt for fresh lime juice. It truly makes a difference. Don't forget to chill your glass beforehand for that perfect frosty sip. This simple combination forms the heart of a classic margarita. Now let's get to mixing. Combine your 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur in a cocktail shaker. Fill the shaker about 2/3 full with ice. Shake vigorously for 15 to 20 seconds until the shaker feels very cold to the touch. This ensures your drink is perfectly chilled and properly diluted. Then, strain it into your salt-trimmed or plain glass. Ready to get creative? Margaritas are incredibly versatile. Try adding 1 ounce of fruit puree like strawberry or mango for a delicious twist. If you prefer a sweeter drink, a 1/4 ounce of agave nectar can balance the tartness beautifully. For a smoky depth, substitute half of the tequila with mezcal. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your perfect personalized margarita recipe. To complete your masterpiece, garnish your margarita with a fresh lime wheel or a simple lime wedge. This adds a lovely aromatic touch and a pop of color. Serve your perfectly crafted cocktail immediately and savor the refreshing flavors you've created. Remember to enjoy responsibly. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.